All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is October 3rd, 2024. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. All right, let's go take a look at some charts today. Okay, kind of a choppy day. Not a very nice day. All right, let's take a look at it on the 10-minute chart. We got a 10-minute uptrend going into the close. 2-hour chart. Okay, we got a 2-hour downtrend going into the close. Daily chart. Daily chart, we have the 3 EMA crossing underneath the 8 EMA on the daily chart. They're kind of giving up the downtrend here. They're still bullish, even though they're pulling back right through here. Still up over recent high anchored VWAP, up over recent all-time high anchored VWAP. So money not coming into the market, but still bullish because it's over those anchored VWAPs. If we had uptrends, I would say money's coming into the market. But right now, no uptrends. They just kind of pulled the bid and just kind of let it free fall right now. So there's SPY on the daily chart. If we look at it on the 10, okay, kind of a crappy day to trade. Why? Under VWAP, okay, because you were over up here, under, over, under, back to it, under, and back over it. Okay, so nothing pretty happening today. No trades, no follow through, nothing but chop. Just chop, chop, chop. That's all you got. Chop. Nothing with follow through, just kind of melting off right through here. Melted off through there, and then we're continuing with the melting right there. Okay, so no trades to be had today. All in all, just position trading. That's it. Okay, so SPY, let's take a look at QQQ. All right, QQQ on the daily chart. All right, same as SPY, putting in high lows, higher highs over the all-time high anchored VWAP, just pulling back. You can see price action today is higher low, higher high, closing under the trap, probably under the 17. Let's see if we can find it here. Okay, so closing over the 17, but underneath the trap. All right, underneath a bearish cross, underneath a bearish trap. Over the all-time high anchored VWAP, making higher lows and higher highs. Just not getting it done these past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Nothing happening. Nothing but chop, chop, chop. All right, FNGU. All right, FNGU making the higher high here. So it's in an uptrend. There's the all-time high anchored VWAP. Price is over it, so that's bullish, but no bullish price action. Okay, price is over it. It's holding over it, but no bullish price action. You need an uptrend to show me the money's coming in. Right now, just kind of melting sideways to the right. Okay, that's it. Nothing fantastic happening here. Price action, got a higher low, higher high, closing over a bearish trap over the 17 EMA. Okay, still bullish. All right, still haven't made the higher high over here. We did make the higher high right here. Okay, just still waiting for the bulls to get inspired. So not sure what they're waiting for, fireworks or Christmas or I don't know, the election. I don't know what it is, all right? But they're just not ready right now. FNGU. All right, let's take a look at Diamond Dow. All right, Diamond Dow up over the prior all-time high anchored VWAP. All right, price action just melting off. 1, 2, 3, 4, last 5 days. Closing today, got a lower high, lower low, closing under a bearish cross, but over the 17 EMA, okay? Nothing pretty happening today, just moving up and over to the right. IWM. IWM got a 2024 all-time high right here. Price action, let's see if that's all-time high. No, 2024 high right here. Okay, 2024 high. And price action's up over it. That's bullish. all right, but not moving up, all right. You can see you got one, well, that you might as well count that a day of selling. It's nothing but wick action. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bearish days, 10, 11, just nothing but selling happening here in IWM. Again, closing underneath the bearish trap underneath the 17, but over the 2024 anchored VWAP. All right. I like to see it hold the upper third, really the upper quarter, but I don't know how much longer they're going to hold the upper quarter. They've already fallen out of it. Okay, so there's IWM. Let's take a look at our technicals. T21, 22. Spent the day in the seller's chop zone. Okay, nothing pretty happening there. Just spent the day in the seller's chop zone. 21, 23. Holding the high area up here. No new all-time high, but still consolidating up here bullishly. Holding the higher ground, not filling bullish gaps. So everything's looking good. Got a 200 SMA rising up from underneath. Not sure if that's going to give it a boot up higher or not. But there's T2123, still bullish. 3-bar chart's going to look like the same thing. Only thing, 17 is catching up to it. Again, you can see it's the same price action. Holding the bullish traps, holding the higher ground. Just got the 17s just catching up to it because it's not rising. All right, it's been up here and it's kind of just stuck right there at the end of the measured move. There's T2123 3-bar FNGU. For today's price action, yesterday was mostly buying. Here's today, more buying a little bit, but all in all, more sideways. Still stuck underneath this rolling over 200 SMA. Got to get up on top of it, looking like a 1-2 triple top there on the 10-minute time frame on the 15. All right. It's not making any higher highs, not doing us any favors, but not making any lower lows. Maybe the breakout's coming tomorrow. We'll see what happens, all right? So there's FNGU on the 15-minute chart. Still trapped underneath 200 SMA. Again, price action holding back in the upper third. That's a good sign, all right? So we're back in the upper third, but not quite in the upper quarter. Okay, let's push this back. All right, yeah, take it back. We're up in the quadrant 4 now. All right, so closing up here in quadrant 4, price kind of moving up. A lot of inside days, could be a breakout tomorrow. See FNGU kind of trying to close near high of day. So looking bullish for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. There's FNGU. Let's take a look at technicals. No, we did technicals. Let's take a look at the energy markets. We'll start off with USO. USO started a brand new uptrend. Price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA, making higher lows and higher highs. That's an uptrend. There's USO. Starting a new uptrend right there. UNG, nice strong uptrend. UNG, price action, higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA, okay? Making higher lows and higher highs. That's in an uptrend. Let's take a look at silver. Silver, price action, making higher lows and higher highs. Price action for today, inside day, lower high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Silver, still in an uptrend, all right? Still bullish. GLD. GLD making new all-time highs about last week sometime. I think it was Thursday or Friday right there. Okay, price action, holding the higher ground up here. Today's price action, just lower high, lower low, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. Okay, gold bullish, all right, in an uptrend. Gold in an uptrend, silver in an uptrend. USO crude oil petroleum uptrend. Nat gas uptrend, okay? All of the Fab Fives uptrend, all right? Got everything in uptrends. Check out the sectors. SMH, higher low, higher high, uptrend. Over all-time high anchored VWAP. That's bullish. All right, XLK. All right, price action. Higher low, higher high. That's an uptrend. Over the all-time high anchored VWAP, that's bullish. Just not moving up. Got to see it move up. XLK. All right, let's take a look at XRT. XRT, no uptrend to be had yet. Okay, still hasn't made higher highs. Okay, made a higher low, but no higher highs up here. All right, price action kind of falling out of bed. Could be the dock workers, not sure what's going on. Today's price action lower high, lower low, closing under a bearish trap under the 17 EMA. Those dock workers, I'm telling you. Okay, so XRT, still in a downtrend. Can't make a higher high to save its life right now. All right, so there's XRT. XLI, industrials, 3 days ago made a new all-time high. It's in an uptrend, making higher lows, higher highs. That's an uptrend over the recent, this is the prior all-time high anchored VWAP. Price is up over it, and it is moving up, just kind of consolidating these past, I'm just going to call it 6 days. Right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 8 days, just consolidating up here. That's XLI. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF still up over all-time high anchored VWAP, just not moving up, just moving to the right. Price action moving up, holding the higher ground, not making any higher highs yet, not in the past 35 days. No new higher highs, but moving over to the right and holding the higher ground up in quadrant 4. So XLF, bullish, XLF, uptrend. So you got XLF in an uptrend, all right? You got XLI in an uptrend. You got SMH in an uptrend, XLK in an uptrend, XLU. Whoa, new all-time high for XLU. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, looks right to me. Here's 2020. XLU putting in new all-time high today. Okay, nice uptrend there. All right, so XLU in an uptrend, XLI in an uptrend. So you got industrials, utilities, financials, semiconductors, technology, everything except for retail right now in an uptrend. Wonder what XLH. Is that healthcare? No. XLR. Real estate. Definitely an uptrend there. Just having a 10-day pullback. XBI is biotech. Healthcare is XLV. XLV kind of rolling over here. All right, so making lower highs and lower lows. XLV in a downtrend. All right, let's see what UNH looks like. It's definitely an uptrend there. Okay, an XLV in a downtrend right there. Moderna on the list there. mRNA. See that? That can take healthcare down. All right. And XBI is the biotech. Biotech's in an uptrend. Okay, that right there looks like an all-time high right there. If not, it's a tie. Oh, no, not an all-time high. All right, biotech definitely in an uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs. Hasn't made lower lows, so biotech's bullish, at least until tomorrow. If they take out that low, they'll be in a downtrend. Other than that, they're still in an uptrend. All right, let's take a look at HYG. High yield, higher lows, higher highs. That's in an uptrend right there. Just pulling back. Is that an all-time high? 80.45? No. Okay. And Robert closed his HE. Okay. Nice work there. Made some profits. Congratulations, Robert. Way to go. Okay, last one to look at, IYT, transports. All right, so again, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, underneath the 17. Nothing good happening there. If they take out this low, they'll be in a downtrend. Price currently up over, all-time high anchored VWAP. That's bullish, but the price action is bearish in the short term. All right. Oh, turn green. We'll see. All right. All right, traders, that's it. We're still bullish. All right. We're not bearish enough to be shorting anything, but we're not bullish enough to be buying anything. It's just chopping up. That's all there is. All right. Yeah, and the dollar spiked higher today. Okay, hasn't made a new high. It did did spike up out of that hockey stick flag, bear flag right there. All right, traders, that's it. Everybody have a beautiful evening. Thank you for being here.